Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve question number 977. The question is squares of sorted array. The question is given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, return an array of the square of each numbers sorted in non-decreasing order. So we have given one nums names array. You can see the nums name array, and we have given two examples. First is -4, -1, 0, 3, 10, and second example is -7, -3, 2, 3, and 11. So this question is asked for. First of all, we have create all elements squares, and then return the squares elements array in sorted manner. So first of all, we have see this question's visual example. You can see this is our first example, and now we have created all elements square. So -4 square is 16, -1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100, and this is our elements square. Now we have written this element squares array as sorted array. You can see this is a sorted array of the squares elements array, and we have written last this because our return type is vector. And our second example is -7, -3, 2, 3, and 11. So we have solved. First of all, we have created its element square. 7 square is 49, -3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 11 square is 121. It is our square element, and now we are going to convert into a sorted manner. First of all, we have write 4, then 9 and 9 and 49 and 121. What is the approach to solve this question? So our approach is, first of all, we have create all elements in switch to its element square. Means its elements square we have first of all create. Means 460, 4, 6, 1, 6, 1, 2, -1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 3 square is 9, and 10 square is 100. And then we have sorted this particular array which is square elements with the help of algorithm of sorted array. And then we have second step in this sort array, and then we have written this nums array. So we are going to solve this question in C++. First of all, we have iterate in complete array for integer I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot size of, and I plus plus, and we have created nums of i's element in change to its square, means nums of I multiplied by nums of I. And we have iterate complete array and change our particular element to its square. And then second, we have showed this complete array with its square element, because first we have created all elements square, and now we have changed this array in sorted manner. Then short, we have used direct algorithm short nums dot begin to nums dot end. And then last, we have return type of in array means vector, and we have returned nums because we have all changes in nums array. It is given, and we have last written this array. First of all, we have get for loop to iterate complete array and change all elements into square element, and then we have showed this nums array. Then last, we have written this nums array. First of all, we have check all two examples are true or not. So our both examples are true. Now we are going to check our all edge cases and test cases are passed or not. So our all test cases are passed. So this this question is a very simple and very easy question. This question is very beginner friendly question, and this solution is very easy solution. So you can see this solution because it is very easy and simple manner, and you can see this similar questions of like this question, and you can solve these questions and improve your C++ skills. So thank you for watching my YouTube video.